Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time, excuse me, this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 70 Chevy El Camino. This comes from Chris in Rincon, Georgia, Rincon, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Rincon, Georgia. And Chris has requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth, so we're going to make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM to the one strong station I get, so let's go ahead and turn it on.
Might also violate California.
And while we have it on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate the balance and fader functions.
Which does not authorize
okay, going to demonstrate the virtual front-rear fader.
Child's parent or guardian.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
anyway,
so now our tone control is used to adjust our...
So,
come on, say something.
Among Deco's
all the way rear,
main
all the way front,
the California bar
okay, I'm going to
is
set
that he
up.
alleges Harkins.
Fader set.
Okay,
left,
right balance.
Lawyer.
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left,
California
all the way
Rules
right,
of procedure
left,
for attorneys. That
right.
rule states that
Okay,
when
I'm
representing a client,
balance set.
okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now let's go over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test. Yeah, they can drift a little bit.
About Paul Manafort.
Could just pretend.
Collusion hoax.
Now we're going to do it there in the middle.
Let's just go ahead and reset this one.
Facts aren't actually. Saki when she was.
Okay, there we go. Alrighty, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Alrighty. Now, as I always say on this model radio, it's better to pull, if you can, just pull the tape out instead of using the eject button. I'll use it just to show you that it works. But boy, oh boy, that is some. After 50 summer and winter cycles, that plastic becomes very brittle. And on the eject button, it's actually it's got a downward slant. So when you push it straight in, it's going to want to go downward and could break off. So if you're going to use this eject button for the tape, just make sure that you're pushing it straight in and that it's not going down at all. So let's go ahead and test the dial lights. Make sure that they work. You can see them flashing on and off in response when I push the button. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to his next radio. He's got another one just like this one that he's also sent me, and I'll be demonstrating that one later today too. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order off that website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order is designed to answer all your questions as you're filling it out. And if there's something that the work order doesn't answer, then it's more like a 2-minute call instead of a 15-20-minute call. That keeps me off the bench where the work actually gets done. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Chris, for your business all the way from Rincon, Georgia, and we'll see you guys soon.